Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is decimals, chapter number 10, and we are going to discuss about dividing decimals, lesson 5. On page number 149, these are the questions we will discuss in today's video. In this video, I am going to covering how to dividing a decimal by a whole number. This is dividend 0.16 and 4 is the divisor and it is a whole number. So 4 cannot divide it 0. So put 0 and place a decimal point in the quotient. 4 into 0 will be 0. Bring your decimal straight up in the answer. Then bring down 1. 4 cannot divide it by 1. So write 0 again and put 6 down. Now it is 16. 4 into 4 will be 16. So 0.04 is the quotient and this is our final answer. In the second part, 6.4 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor and it is a whole number. Then we can check 4 into 1 equal to 4, then minus 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Then bring this point into the answer, then bring down 4 over here, then 4 into 6 24, then minus 24 minus 24 will be 0, nothing will be left. So 1.6 is the answer of this question. This is the third part. 2.60 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. 5 cannot divide by 2. So 5 into 0 will be the 0. Then 2 minus 0. Answer is 2. Then this point will go to the quotient straight up. Then 6 bring down. Now it has become 26. Then 5 into 5 will be 25. Then minus 26 minus 25, 1 remaining. Then 0 will be bring down. Now it has become 10. 5 into 2 will be 10. Nothing is left, so 0.52 is the answer. Now this is the part 4. 3.69 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor and 3 is the whole number. Then read the table of 3. 3 into 1 will be 3. Then 3 minus 3 will be 0. Then this decimal point will go upward in the quotient. Then 6 will be bring down. Now it has become 6. 3 into 2, 6. Then 6 minus 6 will be 0. Now 9 bring down. Then read the table of 3. 3 into 3, 9. Then subtract 9 minus 9, 0. Nothing is left. So 1.23 is the answer. Now our next question is 32.46 divided by 6. 32.46 is the dividend and 6 is the divisor. Now read the table of 6. 6 into 1, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 5, 30. Then 6 into 6, 36. Then 6 into 5, 30. Then subtract. After subtracting, 2 remains. Then this decimal point will go in the quotient. 4 will be bring down. Now this is 24. Now read again. 6 into 4, 24. Then subtract. After subtracting, nothing is left. Now 6 will bring down. Now read the table of 6. 6 into 1, 6. Nothing is remaining. So 5.41 is our final answer. This is our next question. 43.55 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. So read the table of 5. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 8, 40. Then after subtracting, 3 will remains. Then this decimal point will go in the quotient and this 5 will bring down. Now it has become 35. Now read the table of 5 again. 5 into 7, 35. Then after subtracting, nothing is remain. Then 5 will be bring down and read the table of 5. 5 into 1, 5. So after subtracting, nothing will remains. So 8.71 is our final answer. So these are the questions which we have done in this video. Hope you like it and thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.